Starting around 02 November 2023, Bitgert basically is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in very most recent 60 minutes, which really is very huge. Brise for the most part has a by and large complete market cap of $58,921,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $971,145, which generally is genuinely critical. This especially makes Bitgert, Brise, extremely positioning at 331 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert for the most part be by and large worth in 2023, which really is very huge? Is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Brise cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a huge manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost especially is supposed to basically cross a really normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $0.00000034 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Brise can, all things considered, arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.00000038, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032 amazingly. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.00000031, or so they explicitly thought. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost especially is supposed to truly reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the really normal cost of Brise for the September truly remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.00000033, fundamentally further appearance how this for the most part makes Bitgert, Brise, truly positioning at 331 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is very huge. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Bitgert could stretch around $0.00000037, genuinely further appearance how these basically are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 truly is $0.00000034, with a sort of typical cost of $0.00000035, fundamentally further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 for the most part is $0.00000034, with an essentially normal cost of $0.00000035, or so they essentially thought. Bitgert value conjecture December 2023. The normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. By and large further appearance, how this especially makes Bitgert, Brise, lovely positioning at 331 in the cryptographic money market, which especially is very critical. Brise could in a real sense exchange around a truly greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the really least expected cost of $0.00000034 in an all things considered, significant way. Bitgert kind of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been basically diminished by 1.43% in its truly current worth, which truly is very critical. Assuming that we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap especially is likewise down, exhibiting how Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Bitgert could in a real sense stretch around $0.00000037. Kind of additional appearance how these in every way that really matters are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitgert fundamentally is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a genuinely significant manner. The Brise sort of is down to nearly 2.74% in the kind of most recent 7 days, in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for most certainly beyond couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have major areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in all things considered, present moment, exhibiting that in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise generally diminished by 69.610%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of $0.00000034 from its by and large current worth, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent by and large purchase and open door for truly fast venture, exhibiting how for the most part is Bitgert a genuinely wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Bitgert value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Bitgert really worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Brise cost certainly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0.00000038, with kind of least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023. Does Bitgert fundamentally have a future? As far as value, Bitgert truly has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels in a by and large significant manner for the most part. It generally is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem, showing how Bitgert value expectation September 2023, Bitgert cost basically is supposed to truly reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Brise for the September for the most part remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of